Nice one, guys. So basically, we all know that beetroot is very good for, you know what I mean, for weight loss and also detoxing. I'm going to be making a very simple one today. I've got one beetroot left and I'm going to make a weight loss drink with it. Alright? With about a cup of water. And we're going to be using some lemon. And we're going to put some ginger. We're going to be using a medium size lime, alright? Or you can use lemon. Honestly, just blend this about 2 to 3 seconds and honestly, you are good to go. This is a very good drink for weight loss. Just apply it, it's very good for weight loss and detoxing of the body, alright? So yeah, why not? Try it at home and see exactly what happened. Alright guys, let's do something with it now guys. Very easy and simple, nothing too complicated. We're just gonna run it through our strainer, and what you can do is just drink this on an empty stomach in the morning or at night before you go to your bed. Beetroot is good for weight loss also, just like carrot juice. So tips and ideas for you guys. Stay tuned with Chef Ricardo in the kitchen with more recipe. Please tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. Nice one. So we're just gonna run it through our strainer. Won't be taking very long. Quick one. Very easy and simple. Nothing too complicated. And that's exactly what we're looking for. Nice one. So easy guys, honestly, and I'm telling you this, if you can do this at home, you will see the work, what happened in your life, honestly. Because a lot of people been using it and a lot of people been loving it, alright? But before you can do anything with it, some people add honey or you can add sweetener and stuff, but don't add anything to it. Just add a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. And what you want to do, you want to just drink this first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. Here it is. Just one lovely glass of the beautiful beetroot juice right there. Look at that. Fantastic and amazing. And it's so easy. If you have a lovely blender at your home, you just do that and drink it and you're good to go. As you can see for yourself. Please enjoy the recipe and subscribe. Leave your comments in the description box. Please tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. We have a lot more recipes coming and a lot more ideas from Chef Ricardo and the team. And I will see you next time in the kitchen with more recipe. Bye bye.